Imagine a kitchen where one sleek stainless steel appliance replaces your bulky oven, toaster, air fryer, and dehydrator. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ system, a countertop marvel that's redefining home cooking in 2025. This isn't just an oven, it's a culinary powerhouse that tackles everything from crispy air-fried wings to perfectly roasted turkey with unmatched precision. After weeks of testing this 13-function beast, I'm convinced it's the must-have kitchen gadget for anyone serious about cooking smarter, faster, and tastier. Why the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro stands out. Cooking can be a hassle. Unevenly baked cookies, soggy fries, or a full-size oven heating up your kitchen for hours. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro eliminates these frustrations with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design. Its Element IQ system uses 5 independent quartz heating elements and smart algorithms to direct heat precisely where it's needed, ensuring consistent results every time. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home chef craving versatility, this oven delivers. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and slow cook, it's like having a professional kitchen in a compact 21.5 by 17.1 by 12.7 inch package. But does it live up to the hype? I put it through its paces, cooking everything from golden French fries to a 14-pound Thanksgiving turkey. Spoiler alert, it's a game changer. Here's why this smart oven air fryer deserves a spot on your countertop. Solving common cooking problems. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro tackles the pain points of traditional cooking head-on: uneven cooking. Say goodbye to cold spots and burnt edges. The Element IQ system and super convection technology ensure even heat distribution, whether you're baking cookies or air frying wings. Time constraints. The super convection setting slashes cooking times by up to 30%, meaning crispy fries or roasted veggies are ready faster than ever. Limited counter space. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple appliances? This all-in-one oven replaces your toaster, air fryer, dehydrator, and more, saving precious space. Lack of versatility. With 13 functions, from toasting 9 slices of bread to slow cooking a stew in a 5-quart Dutch oven, it handles every recipe with ease. Messy cleanup. The included accessories, like the enamel roasting pan and mesh basket, are easy to clean, though oily foods may require extra care to avoid drips on the heating elements. Key features and benefits. Element IQ system. This isn't your average oven. The 5 quartz heating elements, paired with smart algorithms and digital PID temperature control, create a tailored cooking environment. Whether you're roasting a chicken or proofing dough, expect precise, consistent results every time. Super convection technology. The 2-speed convection fan, regular and super, maximizes airflow for faster, crispier results. The super convection mode is a game changer for air frying and roasting, delivering golden, crunchy textures in less time. 13. Cooking functions. From toast and bagel to air fry, bake, roast, broil, pizza, proof, reheat, cookies, slow cook, warm, and dehydrate, this oven does it all. It's like having a toaster, pizza oven, air fryer, and slow cooker in one sleek package. Extra large capacity. With a 1 cubic foot interior, this oven fits a 14-pound turkey, a 5-quart Dutch oven, or 9 slices of bread. It's spacious enough for family meals or entertaining guests. LCD display and intuitive controls. The clear LCD display and user-friendly knobs make selecting settings a breeze. It even shows when preheating is complete and counts down cooking time for precision. Interior oven light. The integrated light turns on automatically at the end of the cooking cycle or can be switched on to check progress, ensuring you never overcook your dishes. Included accessories. Comes with a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, a 9 by 13-inch broil rack, an enamel roasting pan, and a mesh basket for air frying and dehydrating. 2-year limited warranty. Backed by Breville's commitment to quality, this oven is built to last with replaceable components like a full-size oven. Who is this oven for? The Breville Smart Oven. Air Fryer Pro is perfect for busy families. With its large capacity and fast cooking times, it's ideal for whipping up quick, healthy meals for kids or guests. Small space dwellers. Apartment or dorm residents will love its compact footprint and ability to replace multiple appliances. Home chefs. Foodies who want precision and versatility for everything from baking to dehydrating will appreciate the advanced technology. Eco-conscious cooks. Its energy-efficient design heats up faster and uses less power than a full-size oven, keeping your kitchen cooler. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth.